In this lecture, we are going to install Tailwind CSS. Therefore, we can make the design of our project to look nicer. So to do that, you have to pass this command. So this is going to install the Tailwind bundle. Alright, so that's the first stage. We have now installed the bundle. Next is we are going to execute this command, but let me clear this, therefore you can see everything clearly. So we say php tailwind init. So you just hit enter. Alright, so this have added the Tailwind CSS into your project. So you remember the other time, this is where we checked the CSS, we removed the default one. So now Tailwind CSS is added. So that's the first stage here. So next we are going to build the Tailwind CSS. Okay, so to do that, we have to create another terminal below this. So when you create the terminal, you are going to pass this command. Alright, build watch. So by using the watch, anytime you make changes in your project, you added some code, some Tailwind CSS, it is going to rebuild it. So you just hit enter. So the first build process, you have to allow it to finish that. Make sure you are connected to internet because it is going to be downloading some few things. Alright, so this have finished building and it is also watching all the changes you are making. Alright, so this is how to set up Tailwind CSS. So here we have come to the end of this lecture. See you in the next lecture.